you guys to wish me luck today, because I would much rather be rotting in my bed right now. Not gonna lie. But I did get my first order. This is gonna be for McDonald's, $7.25, going less than 2 miles.
Have a great night.
You too.
Good morning.
Close enough. This one is going to be a pain because these apartments are very, very dark. 3, 5, 4, yes. Finally got the next order. This is gonna be for 7-Eleven, $9 and some change, going 5 miles. I think I'm only picking up one item here, and I'm pretty sure this is deodorant. I've got another 7-Eleven order. $7.75, going less than 2 miles. I'm gonna do this one as well.
Good morning.
I have both of those actually.
You have both?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There you are.
Thank you so much.
Yep. You have a good day. Next up, we've got a McDonald's order. This one's $8.25, going less than 3 miles. Yes. Thank you. You too. And my radio died. So now I am stuck with my thoughts. Just what I needed today. I think I'm gonna take this order just to keep moving. This is gonna be Starbucks, $7.25, going 5 miles. I am the only car here, so I really hope this place is open. That was weird. I've never seen a Starbucks empty before. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's gonna be $11 and some change, going 5 miles, 3 items. Oh, this is gonna be a pain. This is all flowers and plants. Hopefully there's somebody working in the floral section, because I don't wanna do this.
Like I said, I already have orange roses. I don't have ones that look like that. I have yellow ones or orange ones.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Like you literally just had one bunch of those left yesterday, but I don't know if they'd be willing to take a substitute.
Okay, I'll ask them on that one. And
Okay.
then how about
And then-
that?
So I'm gonna let you know though that when you go to scan a tag, it's not going to scan correctly because we put like our own printed out tag, not the ones that come with it.
Gotcha. Okay. This one is asking for something that's $12.99. Is there a smaller one, or are they all the same?
They're all the same. I mean, I could take it out of the pot, so it doesn't have any of the fancy stuff to it.
Is it gonna still ring up as?
I mean, I'd print off a new tag for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would work then.
Same thing, take it out of the pot and everything.
Yeah, this one's gonna be $11.99.
Okay.
So just go with these, I guess. Looks like a damn zoo in my car. Zoo. What do you call a plant zoo? That's what it looks like in my car right now. Wait, I just realized that lady offered to remove the original decorative pot from the plant, and that cut the price down by like half. Either they're just making up prices or they are scamming people, because there's no way that decorative pot costs like $10. I'm not buying it.
Thank you.
And I got the roses for you. Here you are.
Thank you, sir.
Next up, looks like this is 2 shop and deliver orders for alcohol. Yeah, it's saying 2 orders, 5 items. $23, going 7 miles. Sounds pretty good to me. This. I think it's this. Maybe this one. And then just a quick signature on that line for me. And then just a quick signature on that. So I got this order as soon as the liquor store opened, which is at 9 o'clock, which means those 2 orders took me 35 minutes to complete from start to finish. $23 for 35 minutes of work. I'll take it. This one, a little hesitant, but I think I'm gonna take it. I just don't like where it's gonna be dropping me off because it's kind of out of the way. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol, $11 and some change, going 6 miles, only 1 item. All right, they just gave me an add-on for Angels, which is in the same plaza as the liquor store. So it's gonna be an additional $6 and it's gonna be on the way there, so should be worth it.
Sorry, buddy.
Yep, you're all good. Excuse me. And then Angels is just around that corner. So honestly, I could probably walk there, but I'm lazy, so.
Just the box.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me.
Not even close.
Just got the next order. This is going to be for McDonald's, $8 and some change, going 2.5 miles. Of course, it's upstairs. Looks like we've got yet another shop and deliver for alcohol. This one's gonna be $13, going 6 miles, only 1 item.
Back again so soon?
Right? People are thirsty today. Just scribble on that line for me. This next up is a stack going to 2 different people. We've got Panera and Seize the Bagel, $14, going 6 miles. This one could be a little iffy. Both of these restaurants are pretty busy on weekends, so we'll see what happens. Thank you. Thank you. Bit of a wait here, so hopefully that means that the bagels are going to be ready for me.
Here's that for you.
Thank you. What is this place? What is this place, by the way?
Mental health hospital.
Gotcha. All right, I am in the middle of nowhere, scared and alone, and I want to go home. So let's do that. Current time is 11:32. Current total is 125, and I have those last 2 Uber tips yet to come in, so probably around 135. But anyways, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.